Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Marshall MID ANC headphones with any iPhone or iPad. So first of all, you will need to enter the pairing mode. So right now we have to just basically power off your headphones, and then you have to use this gold button. You have to, let me just catch focus on it. Okay, so I'm talking about this gold button. You have to click and hold it, and then just take a look on this indicator. We have to hold it until this indicator turns blue. Okay, as you can see right now, it is blinking blue, so it means that these headphones are in the pairing mode. So we can simply go to the settings, go for the Bluetooth on our iOS device, turn it on, and select our headphones. The custom name in my case, it's the MID ANC. So you just have to click on them once, and as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. If you try to pair these headphones with the Marshall application, unfortunately this device it's not working with this app, so you can only use it without application. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.